So anyways, 5 success components, pay attention. Not toot my own horn, but I guess over $3 million today in commissions until now. Multiple income streams, all that jazz. So you'll discover today what I used, my daily philosophy, my daily action plan, my daily routine, if you will, how to get there and beyond. My proven ways of building online businesses. When everyone zigs, you zag, so you always want to be a little bit different, right? You always want to have that, you don't want to be, you don't want to blend in. You want to, you have personality, you want to shine, you're meant to shine. You got your unique abilities, unique persona, if you will, unique story, because people join people, right? They don't join companies necessarily. People join people. So why, always ask yourself, if I was a prospect, why would I join myself? How am I different from him or her? You know what I mean? Always ask yourself that question. What am I willing to provide for those people that join me? How to have unfair advantage over most people who are lazy, don't want to do what you need to do to go to the next level. So I'm finally going to show you, hopefully to some of you, who will get this and will run with it, how to finally succeed without all the information overload. Because look, 10 years ago, there was no information overload. There was, like I caught myself recently, realized that now everything is on YouTube and Facebook and all the other social media. When I was starting out, there was no information. I would ask my sponsor in that MLM, and he would never answer any questions. He didn't know, right? There was no YouTube. There was no content on YouTube, right? Now any question, you can go to YouTube, Facebook, or whatever your favorite social network is, and you'll find answers like this, right? So right now you're facing a different problem. You have information overload. You have to kind of be selective to who you're listening to, right? So I would probably take this because having more choices and information is better than no choices. You just have to be selective. You just have to really figure out what you need to implement in your business. And this is the sales copy from one of my emails, but it's really to get you in a state of where you want to be. So let me read this to you. Does this sound familiar? You keep relying on standard cookie cutter emails provided by the company. They end up in a spam folder. No one is reading them. Nobody is replying to them. You're spending on traffic, Facebook ads, solo ads. You're getting tiny results. You can't fall asleep as you continue to search for a solution. And you know deep inside that you can succeed and you deserve it. And you see other people who are not smarter than you, but they're succeeding and getting huge commissions online, right? But you got nothing to show to your spouse or your significant other. And they doubt you. They say, when are you going to stop doing this stuff, right? Because I was facing that. You're facing that, right? You're not alone. There are thousands of people with the same situation, same problems. And they're looking for a shortcut. They're looking for that magical solution. They just want to crack this online code of success. And it can feel frustrating, even hopeless, knowing that you spend so much money on credit cards. Look, I've racked up my credit cards over $80,000. And you're spending countless, sleepless nights in front of this dang laptop, right? Your eyes are like red. You're like a bat, not a Batman, but the bat, that comes out at night. That's who you are. That's how I was, right? A Batman, right? And you got nothing to show. You got zero. Man, you check your commissions, you keep refreshing, it's 0, 0 every single day. I know that feeling. I've been there. So let's talk about 5 important success components. And feel free to take screenshots. So just for a second, imagine you're laying on the beach, or maybe you're laying by the pool, and you just use your iPhone or Galaxy, whatever you're using, and you just see commission notifications, right? You see $1,000 commissions, $4,000, $6,000, even whopping $10,000. Now, consult with the coach, right? Because the comp plan changed and there might be, the number's roughly accurate, okay? So all your bills are paid and you're just thinking about your next trip. You're thinking like where to take your family next time. That's a damn good feeling. Tell me if it's not, right? Instead of thinking, oh my God, next week I need to pay this Chase bill, I need to pay for electric, and I need to pay my mortgage, you think about some finer things in life, And you're happy to be alive. So I'm here to tell you can do this, in case you haven't realized that. Anyone here can do it. Even if you don't speak English, if you don't speak, perfect English, if you are immigrant like me, if you are, whatever the excuse you're coming up with, why you're not succeeding, you can do this. So, some of the numbers, I can drive lots of traffic. Obviously, this is just like one screenshot from one of my accounts, like GetResponse, like over 1,000 leads a day. I can do more, obviously, and there are people that are doing a lot more than I do. But I'm just saying, like not doing three-way calls, not chasing anybody, just people that are looking for opportunity, right? 1,000 people going on your list every day. Multiple traffic sources. We teach you all that stuff in SAM, right? There's a lot. There's so much traffic out there, it's crazy. Some of my results in SAM so far. I started promoting this like about 3 months ago, I think. July, August. So, this is like, not bragging, this, by my standards, it's kind of low, and it's about to go higher, a lot higher, with the new processes that Misha spoke about. But I'm just saying, there's always next level. I just want to instill this belief that it's possible. This is the best business model, like affiliate marketing. You don't have to create products. Everything is done for you. You got customer support. You got coaches teaching your customers, right? You don't have to do it. Because in the past, you had to do everything by yourself. You had to be like wear many hats. You had to be a marketer. You had to be a sponsor, support person, a legal counselor, whatnot, Now, like 90% of stuff is done for you. You just need to really focus on 10% and make it work for you. Figure out your traffic source, figure out your conversions, figure out your daily routine, like daily method of operation, DMO. Very, very important. So it might sound a little scary or sketchy, but it is what it is. I got to a point where I just dropped my excuses. And I started going to Masterminds, paying for mentorship, paying for coaching, and spent over 6 figures on that, testing traffic sources over $500,000 over the years to find what works for me, right? So in SAM, you have coaches that know what works. We have a new funnel, right? They're collecting data. It's not rocket science. You just need to figure out your budget and stuff like that, discuss that with your coach. They can help you with that. Everyone has different situations, so everything is different, would be different. So let's talk about success component number 1. It's a mindset. I think I mentioned that on the panel yesterday. Everything starts with the mindset. If you still have that employee mindset, it's virtually impossible to succeed. You need to fix that first. It's not about magic traffic source. It's not about magic Facebook ad or Instagram post. You gotta fix the mindset first. Become an entrepreneur. What helped me is listening to virtual mentors, like following, like back in the day, like Mike Dillard with magnetic sponsoring stuff. Nowadays, I'm listening to Grant Cardone, like for salesmanship and all that stuff. I listen to Gary Vee for inspiration, for hustle, for that daily hustle that he does, right? I listen to And by listening, not like you can compress time. Like compressing time is huge, especially if you're part-time and you have a full-time business, a full-time job. So I would compress time by, when I'm commuting, I'm listening, right? When I'm going to the gym or job or whatever, my mind is always consuming information, reprogramming myself for success. So you gotta learn how to compress time. If you only have like to work your business 2 hours a day, you gotta be very creative how you spend your time. Don't waste your time. That's the bottom line. And you have to realize that everything in marketing is a test. Nothing is guaranteed, but you need to become kind of like emotionally detached from any outcome. Because if you are, it's gonna crush you and it's gonna kill your dreams if you become emotionally attached to everything.